Hi guys, I'm going to do a haul video. I'm going to do it right here from the kitchen because I don't feel like going down to my office and taking all of these clothes downstairs and bringing them all the way back up to my closet. And just a disclaimer, these things were already hanging up in my closet and I had these things situated so they have a place in my closet because I just decluttered my closet. And so I'm going to show you my summer clothes that I just picked up and I ordered recently. So first we're going to start out with this yellow dress, and it is so long, and I will be doing a style for my closet really soon so you can see what this stuff looks like on, but let me just show you really quick. This is how this dress looks. And I wore this to my daughter's graduation. It is super long. I had to wear wedges with it. So that's the first dress that I got. And I will show you what it looks like in a video soon. So stay tuned. Hopefully I don't repeat that over and over again. And then I got this white top. It's like a bat wing top. This is from Shein. This is a size medium. I should have got a small, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, and then the next thing I got was another dress. This is one shoulder like that, and I'm gonna hold it up so you can see, and then it's like this at the bottom. All right, the next thing, you guys have seen this already. It is this lounge pajama set. Hello weekend. And I wore this in a cleaning video, so you've already seen this. So I got that from Shein. Alrighty. The next thing is this top right here. Oh, it's falling off. I got this top right here from Factory Connection. It's like a baby doll top and it's cropped. And I got this because it started getting really hot here. And so I started wearing dresses and tanks and stuff like that because it gets hot here. So the next thing is this kimono, and this shirt does not go with it. I just hung it up. But I got this kimono from Factory Connection, and also this top from Factory Connection. It's just a purple blouse top. So I will be I think I have a pink tank that I can wear underneath this kimono, but I thought this was so cute. And I was looking online on a boutique. I can't remember what it was. I think it was Belle Lily or It's Fashion Now or something like that. And I wanted this kimono and they were sold out. And so I found it at Factory Connection. And I actually got it for $10.50. And I think it was marked down some more from $10.50. So the next thing is this halter top. I bought this to wear with capris or shorts, and I wanted this because I have been really working really hard on toning my body, and I've done a good job. So I wanted a halter top for that reason. So the next shirt is from Shein, and that halter top was from Shein. I don't know if I said that or not. And this is a peekaboo sleeve, another medium that I probably should have got a small for, but this is like one of those bat wing shirts, so I got another one of those. And then from Factory Connection, I want this stuff to fall, I got this dress. So pretty. The back is out like that for one of those hot days. And I like to wear dresses when I go thrifting and stuff. So I got this. And then this is one of those long dresses. I probably will wear like my wedges with this. But that dress, so pretty. Next thing is from the thrift store. I got this top. And this right here is messed up, and so I'll probably cut this off. You won't be able to see that if I cut it like close enough. I don't know if you can see it, but if I cut it close enough, it should be okay. But I got this yellow top. This is from Old Navy. This was $4.79. Goodwill is not that expensive to me because its regular prices were like $4. So this is like $4.79. So it's like 79 more cents from what I would normally pay. And then I got another loungewear set. Okay, but first coffee from Factory Connection. Not Factory Connection, my bad. Shein. I got this stuff mixed up, so. And then this is from Shein. Also, I love this Paris. I love red, yellow, and pink. So I love that one. I had to get that one. I got my daughter that one too for her birthday, but I had to get it too. So then we have the this blouse. I want to wear some capris with this and some sandals or whatever. So I got this one, and this one was $4.79. I didn't think that was bad either. So then I'm gonna go get the other half to this haul, and I will be right back. All right, so continuing, this is Factory Connection, Family Dollar, and Shein. Okay, so the first thing I pull out of this bag are these earrings. These yellow earrings, these pink go with that dress. Me and the lady in the store was talking about it. She was like, these go good. This goes really good with that dress. So I got these. Love them, love them, love them. I can even wear these with this shirt right here. Okay, and so then back to Shein. I picked up this set. It is so cute. This is a polka dot headband where I can put my headband. I can put my hair back when I'm gonna put on a mask. Just push everything back, put on a mask. And I also got this. So this set came together from Shein. And so this is like a face massager type thing. I don't know how to explain it, but I used to take my hands and do the manual, but you can do it with this. So I got one of those. This is actually Mother's Day stuff. Most of the stuff is my Mother's Day shopping, and also just getting out of the house type thing. So then, you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I'm into fitness. So I got this set. That's the top and the pants to match. And this one also came with this top right here. So I got that set to go with my collection. And if you've been following me, you know I've been talking about how I'm trying to get out of the all the black workout clothes. So I've been getting different colors. And then I got this one. This, I want to say this is like a peach color. And then the pants, that matches. Pants match. And then I picked up, I always say picked up when I'm ordering stuff. This came from Shein also. It is a pink short set. I thought this would be good because it's usually cold in this house. And there's the shorts. And I got a medium, and I should have got a small for that too. And then these came from Family Dollar. I just went in there to pick up some household stuff like dishwashing liquid and stuff like that. And I saw these. These would be good for working out. And these are biker shorts. So I got those. And I also got another pair of these shorts from Family Dollar. And last thing I got from Factory Connection were these cute pajamas. They are plaid, and they have like this lace at the bottom. And then this shirt comes with it. Move this stuff out the way. And then this shirt comes with it. It says, I love my bed. Perfect for me, because I love my bed. I also want to show you my bottle that I got. I got a new water bottle just to pour, like, I have the water bottle that tells you what time of day you start drinking and keep up with how much water you drink. I've been pouring that water into this water bottle. Stay tuned, just stay right there. This came from Shein also, and I like this because when I go walking, I don't want to have that huge half a gallon with me, so I just do this right here. And you can just put it on your wrist and just walk. And usually when I'm walking, my old bottle, it had a little handle like thing on it, and I used to put my fingers down in it and hold it while I'm walking. But now I can just do this right here and walk. Or on my treadmill, because my treadmill cups are too little, so I can just put it on my wrist like this, and I can just walk on my treadmill or jog on my treadmill and just take a drink and keep jogging with it on my arm. So that's everything for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more videos, and I will talk to you later. Bye.